According to PMBoK, projects are typically managed using a set of processes, tools, and techniques that are designed to help ensure that they are completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. These processes are often referred to as project management. There could be many reasons why organizations initiate projects. Some common reasons can include addressing a business need or opportunity, where projects are often undertaken in order to address a specific business need or opportunity, such as the need to develop a new product or service, improve an existing one, or enter a new market. To solve a problem could be a reason why projects can be initiated in order to solve a specific problem or challenge that an organization is facing. For example, a company may initiate a project to address a production issue or to improve customer satisfaction. Projects required to meet a regulatory requirement could be an instance where some projects are to be initiated in order to meet a regulatory requirement, such as the need to comply with a new law or industry standard, maybe. Another reason may be to take advantage of an opportunity, where projects can be initiated in order to take advantage of a specific opportunity, such as opportunity to enter a new market or to acquire a new technology. Overall, the specific reasons for initiating a project will depend on the needs and objectives of the organization and the specific circumstances and opportunities it is facing. In your exam, PMI will be particularly interested to find out whether you are familiarized with the definition of a project, and may throw a one or two questions to ask you exactly that. Make sure you know the definition of a project from cost, schedule, and deliverance point of view, and you're sure to answer the questions regarding the definitions of projects correctly. See you in the next lecture.